we are limited to space and mirrors, I just bring my stack with me, my go-to, because I don't want to be wearing too much, but I also like to look presentable throughout the day. To make myself look a little bit more awake, I'm gonna go in with my concealer. This has coffee seed oil in it, so it really helps with depuffing, as I have gotten not the best sleep on this trip. I don't love being in a cramped car, but you gotta do what you gotta do. So this is going to brighten up my under eye area and make me look more awake and alive. I'm just going in and lightly tapping with my finger. Since it is hot in the location that I am, I'm not really going to use this as a foundation. I'm gonna use a very minimal amount and just use it for my under eyes today. Thankfully, I have my handy dandy mirror lid, so I can see what I'm doing in this while I tap my concealer in. Next, to add some color into my face, I am going in with Terracotta Tour Guide Lip and Cheek. I wanted to bring as little makeup products with me as possible, so these are my go-to shades and my go-to for a minimal routine. I also only brought my dual-ended brush. I'm not wearing eyeshadow on this trip. I don't need all of those brushes to come with me, especially because when my family comes back, this car is going to go back to being cramped and packed. So I need as little as possible with me. For all of my cream products, I really honestly just love using my fingers. I think it helps melt in the product and give me a really natural finish. I could always also use the dense side of my brush. Now I am going to set my face with my BB powder. This is going to act as my foundation and also help with this oil and give me a little bit of coverage. With that same side of my brush, I'm going to use my bronzer in Leche, and I'm just going to lightly dust this on my forehead to bring some warmth back into my skin, my cheekbones, my neck, my ears, and my jawline. This is a very, very no makeup look. When I travel, I always think less is more, to be honest. I'm not focused on having a full step routine. I like being able to get ready quickly so I can go out the door and go do what is in our itinerary for the day. I also like to take my bronzer, and for a eyeshadow, I will go in with my dense side of the brush and I'll pick this up. I tap it on the back of my hand and I'll use this in the crease of my eye and just blend it out, and do the same over here. Everything is always so versatile and you can make so many products work in so many different ways. I'm also going to do the same and just drag that down the sides of my nose for a very, very easy nose contour. I honestly prefer using a bronzer powder for my nose because I have a very oily nose, and I feel like when I use cream products on my nose, it breaks up and it looks gross. If you have a very oily face, powders are the way to go. Last but not least, I'm gonna take a little bit more of that Terracotta Tour Guide, pat this onto my lips. You can also use your lip and cheek as a cream eyeshadow as well if you need it, if you want it, it's there. And then I'm gonna go with my lip glaze in Fearless, where my Swifties at, and I'm going to top this off. Lip glazes also super versatile while you're traveling. This can be a lip and cheek, and this can also be an eyeshadow. I'm loving that combo. Let's double check that everything looks good in the mirror. And with that, my routine is done. I can always top off my lashes with some mascara, but I'm just gonna skip that step today because I want to get this done before everybody else gets back in the car. But with that, my sack will go back in its handy dandy makeup bag. Same with my dual-ended brush. And that is my go-to makeup routine when I'm traveling or on the road. Super quick and easy, honestly, less than 5 minutes. If you wanna see me do more travel looks, let me know. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns, as always, leave them down in the comments below. And until next time.